हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ रमन लूथरा एंड आज हमारे साथ बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट है जो कि सारे बोलते हैं और ये रियली स्पेशल है। ये है प्रान्या केंद्रे जो कि अब सेबी ग्रेड ए की ऑफिसर है। इससे पहले कि पीएसयू में काम करी थी। शी इज़ अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट। इन्होंने सी रमन लूथरा क्लासेस में एनरोल कराया था एक क्रैश कोर्स में, जो कि फेज़ वन के बाद हमने स्टार्ट किया था, जिसका सिर्फ 40 डे का वो कोर्स था। फेज़ वन खत्म हुआ और मेंस तक हम इनके साथ थे, तो वी वर गिविंग लेक्चर्स और साथ में डिस्कशन भी चल रहा था। आई गेस प्रांजल ने इतना डिस्कशन नहीं किया क्योंकि वो पहले से सी हैं, तो उनको काफ़ी कुछ पता था। तो अभी मेरा बात खत्म होता है यहाँ पे। अब प्रांजल स्टार्ट करेंगे, वो आपको अपना स्ट्रैटेजी बताएंगी कि उन्होंने इस एग्ज़ाम को अप्रोच क्या किया। और एक बात जो स्टैंड आउट किया आपके मतलब आप में और बाकी सारे स्टूडेंट्स के अंदर, क्या चीज़ ने आपको एज दिया, हम उसके बारे में बात करेंगे, ठीक है ना? सो प्रांजल, बोलो भाई, क्या बोलना चाहते हो?
Hello everyone. Greetings for the day, and yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you for inviting here. And yes, so the SEBI grade officer. So I came to know about this recruitment the last year. So I filled up the form. I think it was during the last October month. That time I filled it. So it was the lockdown was going on, and I had means it was like why not go means I was actually looking for a career. I actually that time I was looking for going for a higher study, like going for MBA or anything. So I think why not be? I should give this time because this is a actually in before me joining my current job, like SEBI was like a dream job for me. So for that, so afterwards, after the November, I started preparing for it. So the
हाँ।
best the yeah. So the first thing that I started to do is reading the newspaper. So you can go for any financial newspaper. I prefer Economic Times. Financial Express is so good. Business Standard there is also good. So I started going through, and also I continue. I'm also it is my old habit that I since I'm trading in stock market. So I have the guidance or the news applications for news uh, application app like money control that. So I have
मनी
gone
कंट्रोल।
through that on everyday basis. So and for phase one, I was very scared because it is something new. I had not prepared for this kind of examination before.
समथिंग इन
So
न्यू एज इन द एल आर कॉन्स पार्ट, दैट पार्ट
yes,
स्केयर्ड यू,
cons.
ओके।
Yes, because because cons part that was like the last time I studied for cont, it was like in CA entrance exam only. So that was like five years ago.
ओके।
So it was very difficult for me. So I started studying for that to covering up the general awareness, the then the con part, then the English. I think English is something that we should give importance to because everyone thinks that English is so easy that we should just we can do it. But I think English also needs some time, and it is very scoring subject. English. I think English is the most for me. I think English is the most easiest subject for
आई
parents. No,
एंड
because
इट
I
गॉट यू
studied
थ्रू,
for it.
इट गॉट यू थ्रू सेवी, आई थिंक यू
Yes,
गॉट 60
yes.
मार्क्स, 60 मार्क्स इन
No,
डिस्क्रिप्टिव।
68, 68
68, वाओ
descriptive.
वाओ, ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट।
Yeah, and till now I heard is the 75 is the highest, and I think there's one more guy who got I think 72 to 68. But yeah, because I studied for it, I gave it the time that it deserves, so I got through it.
ओके, परफेक्ट।
And then they for the paper two. Paper two is all about the technical. It is actually something that SEBI officer is required to already know about it. They should have studied about it. And for that, actually, many people they have got more than enough time for that. I think for preparation and for since I have done my I have done CA, so I had the basic knowledge about it. But when I first means I given my first mock test, then I came to know that it's completely different because in CA they don't ask us the how many chapters are there in the company accounts and how many sections are there. It's like we have gone through the section, but we have never kept in our mind that this many sections are there. It's like we have more than 500 section and we have more than this use of income
The
tax
use of
book. But
that section, we know the
yes,
application of that section, not the number.
yes, not the
Mm,
number.
mm.
So in CA we don't we means they give us the marks extra marks for that for quoting the section number, but they it is not exactly required. The examiner doesn't require us to write the exact section number or they there is a separate mark for that, but it's not expected. But in this question they in for general means in the mains there was a one question where there was a written about I think it was a
Section
dormant
24
company.
company, no, no, section
Yes,
24,
section
yes.
20. Yes, so
Which
that
which
that
section
got
gives the
me.
power to SEBI regarding
Yes,
that issue of shares?
Yes,
Yes, yes, yes,
and
yes.
there was a subsection in this one section only, so it was quite difficult. I skipped that question.
Okay.
So yeah, for we need preparation from that point of view. So then after first mock, I came to know that no, this will not do. I have to study. So then I found many guidance. I found your lectures on YouTube, and which helped me because the last time I studied accounting means for study from passing an exam perspective, it was like 4 and 5 years ago. So I gone through the accounting standard and all the videos which will help me a lot for my phase one. And so after clearing phase one, so since I'm working, so I had no time to go on through each and every chapter of the ICI material and everything. But I joined a crash course, your crash course for a phase paper two, and it helped me really a lot because it was with my earlier knowledge and with your with the knowledge with renewing my earlier knowledge
Crisp,
to
crisp
yeah,
lectures and
crisps of that, yes,
uh,
crisp lecture. So it really helped me, and I liked the part where it was where actually there was a more practical question. Actually, I think more practical question will help us to memorize the concept, and also help us in the help us in any type of questions if you go for more practical question. And so
so what thing?
and
So one thing which I clearly understand from talking to you is that's the standout part was you knew the practical application of each and every thing
yes,
you were studying. So
yes,
प्रांद्या बहुत ज़्यादा न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ती है. She used to read Economics Time, and she used to continuously look after the market. She had money control side, and she used to
yes,
apply each and every particular, like for example, if any buyback news came out, she knew what
mm,
what what will happen after the buyback, what will the impact of that buyback on the share capital of the company, cash flows, etc. and etc. She knew all that part, so that thing helped her a lot.
yes, that thing help, but it's not like I knew everything. Means after clearing SEBI, I know much more than I think I know. I think more. I know 2 times more than which I already known earlier before
So
SEBI.
so the
So it's like it's for any study. Yes. So for the examination, when read this kind of news that as a like Security Appellate Tribunal has find this kind of company. So in that news article, they have already mentioned the regulation under which SEBI's regulation they have find is what has done, what is the relevant Companies Act questions there. So there you will if you already studied that, means if you gone through your crash course or anything course that they're doing, or if they are read the ICS material, then they will came to know that this is the practical application of this section, and and your knowledge will whatever you're studying, they it will get revised
you'll
automatically.
apply that
So
knowledge.
reading is great.
Yeah, perfect, perfect,
Yes.
perfect, perfect. So we want
And
one special thing from you. We want to guide students about English subject, how to approach that descriptive
okay. First, in newspaper is reading because
newspaper reading.
yeah, because you cannot just write anything when they have given a section that even if your grammar is correct and what you articulate everything, but the content should be your main focus. So that will come from your reading and whatever you are studying for that. So if when you are right, just make sure that your grammar is okay. They don't require you any very higher standard of English or anything. So my English is, I don't think my English is that good, but I write whatever I write. That is now means that I am able to express my whatever
Express your
I want to.
thoughts.
So that
Yes.
should be yeah, it should be clear, and the examiner should came to know means while examining your paper, they should come to know that you have understood this topic. And that's you are describing it.
Okay.
So for that I have given many mock tests. So just before 5 days before the examination, so the examination at 8 o'clock. So 5 days before, every day at 8 o'clock, I will means I would give a one mock test for English description, and afterwards, immediately afterwards, I will give the paper two for that. So I was for mentally prepared that at 8 o'clock I have to write this English descriptive paper, and afterwards I have to give this paper two.
So you
So
created
my
that
mindset
environment a
was
week ago. You created that SEBI
yes,
environment, SEBI
yes,
examination. Wow, great, great, good, good.
yes,
So you
yes,
discussed phase one. For
yes,
QRE, your mantra is to practice only. You have to practice, practice, and practice the
yes.
QRE part.
Practice a lot.
English, for English, it's a time taking process. You have to read the newspapers, go through each and
Yes,
every topic. You read the articles. And
yes,
for phase two examination, So that is a bit
Mhm.
difficult for non-commerce background students. So
Yes.
what Prandya and I discuss is the best material out there is of Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, plus some other material, not for management. I'm talking about costing, commerce and accountancy,
Mhm.
Companies Act, and finance. So you can refer ICI material for that. Even I refer ICI notes to make my lectures and my notes. So that comes out कि इतना इतना न्यूज़पेपर, तो आपको इतना न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना है, ये प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ का एक्सपीरियंस
Mhm.
चाहिए है, आपको लिंक करना है, आपको फेज टू के लिए कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है, इतना सब कुछ प्रांजल ने बताया। और कुछ आप
Mhm.
बताना चाहेंगे, और कुछ मतलब कि बस स्टूडेंट को हेल्प कर सके कि उनको कितना टाइम देना है एक पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम को पढ़ने के लिए, या फिर कुछ भी जो उनको
Mhm.
मतलब एग्जाम में जाने को जाए तो एकदम कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ जाए।
I think the student should first go through the syllabus that the SEBI has offered. What exactly is the, and they should now last year question may be available to them, so they will come to know what areas that they need to focus more. And it's not important to cover each and everything. I think whatever you are doing, you have to give 100% to that. So whenever, so you, if some tricky question comes to that with mixing of two concept, or they are they are going all around and then asking this question, which is actually a simple question, so you don't have to skip that question. That is, and I think the for non-commerce student, I think they need to go through the first the concept, basic concept, what
Concepts,
is the
basics.
how accounting is done, what is the three golden rule, and how which accounts are required. I think it is very quite simple. I think I don't think they will face any issue if they start from today.
No,
For the
even that.
if assume.
No, I've heard 50% of the student who cleared SEBI exam are from non-commerce background, so they have understood
Yes,
the part as well. But
more than half
more
they
than
are
half,
from
yes.
non-commerce.
So, but this particular point, matlab, the non-commerce background students should invest around 2 to 3 months in commerce and accounting, in the commerce-related subjects. That is a minimum requirement, I think so. You
I
cannot
think
read
that
that
is.
all subjects in 1 2 months only on the
Mhm.
basis of MCQ. That is not possible. That is not, I mean,
Yes,
humanly
that is.
possible, I would say, कि आप एक महीने में पढ़ के कि हाँ मैं एग्जाम क्लियर कर लूंगा. That is not the right approach towards exam. तो ठीक है,
Yes.
इतना है. आपका प्लान हम ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेंगे, ठीक है? यू डिस्कस्ड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग क्रिस्प बातों में. जैसे हमारा कोर्स क्रिस्प था ना अपना
Mhm.
40 डे का, वैसे ही आपका
Mhm.
इंटरव्यू भी शॉर्ट रखेंगे. आई गेस आपने जो कम्युनिकेट करना था वो सब कुछ कम्युनिकेट कर दिया. इंग्लिश से
Mhm.
लेके क्यूआरई से लेके फेज टू से लेके सब कुछ. आपको
Mhm.
प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ का अप्रोच चाहिए, आपको कैसा करना है, कैसे एग्जाम को अप्रोच करना है, जो वर्किंग है. सो शीजन
Yes.
आपको बताए कि प्रांतिक वर्किंग बहुत ही मतलब पीएसयू में जो कि बहुत काम कराती है, तो उनके पास टाइम कम है. तो ऐसे जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो काम
Mhm.
कर रहे हैं किसी ना किसी पीएसयू या किसी प्राइवेट सेक्टर में, तो उनके लिए इंस्पिरेशन है कि आप उसके साथ साथ कैसे मैनेज कर सकते हो. और जो बच्चे नहीं कभी काम कर रहे, जो कोर फोकस कर रहे हैं इस पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम को, तो उनको तो इनसे ज़्यादा पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा. आपको इनको बीट करना तो ज़्यादा पढ़ना ही पड़ेगा. ठीक है ना प्रांजल?
Yes, but I think everything is possible.
हाँ, एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. आई नो एवरीथिंग इज
Possible. You
पॉसिबल.
just have to work for it. So my message to the all the students that they should, if they start today, that will be very grateful for. I mean, that will very, the future will be bright for them. But still, who doesn't have any time? I think it's not like a very impossible thing. You can do it. You just have to start
Start
as early
today,
as
start
possible.
now,
Yes.
start
Yes.
every. Acha, so what my mantra is, what I tell my students while I मेक लेक्चर्स एंड वाइल टेक लेक्चर्स, मैं बोलता हूँ कि आज ये क्वेश्चन आप जो पढ़ रहे हो वो क्वेश्चन आपसे इंटरव्यू पूछने वाला है, आप उस तरीके से पढ़ो. सो हर
Yes.
चीज़ को आपको उसी तरीके से अप्रोच करना है कि ये इंटरव्यू में आपको क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं. ठीक है ना? तो आपका फिर कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर
Yes.
रहेगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं रहेगा. ठीक है
Yes. Yes,
प्रांजल,
sir.
थैंक्स अ
Yes,
लॉट फॉर योर टाइम. कुछ अगर आपको कभी भी
sir.
आप अब वी हैव एन इनसाइडर इन सेबी, तो प्रांजल हमें इनसाइडर इन्फॉर्मेशन देती रहेंगी कि कब एग्जाम आने वाला है, कब नोटिफिकेशन आने वाला है.
Mhm.
एंड आपको किसी भी तरीके से स्टूडेंट का हेल्प करना हो आगे जाके, तो यू आर वेलकम. सीआरएम मल्होत्रा क्लासेस में आपको कोई भी हेल्प करना हो,
Yes.
कभी भी कुछ भी, तो आप वेलकम हो. उसके लिए आप कोई भी सेशन दे सकते हो. मेरे को बोलने का बस आपको एक मैसेज करना है और आपके लिए प्लेटफॉर्म अवेलेबल.
Sir.
ठीक है? सो आज के
Yes,
लिए हम
sir.
बात को ख़त्म करते हैं. ठीक है?
Yes.
चलो, थैंक्स
Yes,
अ
sir.
लॉट एंड
Thank you,
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन
sir.
अगेन. ओके,
Thank you,
बाय.
sir. Bye.